I'm not going to eat that clean meat, but I'm going to have French fries because that fits into the vegan lifestyle.
Key example.
And that to me, that's a really bad example. If you're going to do it properly.
Yeah.
And it's like, even on keto, I'm going to have this full, heavy whipping cream,
I see where you're going with that,
opposed to having good fat comes on the meat. It's like, if you're going to do it properly. Do it the way it's meant to do. Don't do the American or the manipulated, the tweaked side of it, right?
The marketing approach.
Impossible
Burger.
I'm going to go buy this. What's it? Impossible Burgers.
Impossible Meats, they have that now. It's all like, they have a whole category of impossible meats, from chicken and fish and beef.
Or going to In-N-Out and having like salad wrap over your meat patty. Don't go to In-N-Out if you're trying to lose weight.
That's just the thing.
If you're having a cheat meal, have a cheat meal, but it's not keto.
And it's direction.
Technically, it is keto, but it's not healthy. It's not helping you.
Bacon, keto, cheese, keto, but is it like a healthy approach to where you can? Is there healthier choices of this diet you can do? Yeah, there is, but it's not it's harder that way. I'm like,
but that's do it properly, right?
That's the approach. Every diet needs to be done to the T. Every diet can do really well, like, not the keep on talking about the vegan diet, but that's one thing I hear a lot about is the vegan approach. And people who go on the vegan diet, doctors who promote the vegan diet, they say, hey, you lower your chances of heart disease, you lower your chances of diabetes. And a lot of times it's because you're going from that SAD diet, standard American diet, which considers processed foods are okay, refined sugars, all those things that cause heart disease. You're cutting that out of your diet. Hopefully, if you're doing a clean vegan diet and you're doing just vegetables and fruits, and you're doing high amounts of fiber and grains, so you're going to have better issues with your cholesterol and your blood pressure and your colon, which is great. But at the same time, too, if you're missing out on those vitamins and minerals like zinc and D3 and B vitamins, then you're having more issues. So it's like, it's always a balance with everything.
And a big thing I believe in, no matter what diet you're doing, do the best alternative food of, so we're talking carbohydrates.
Right.
And you're eating any type of carbohydrate. Okay, low GI carbohydrates. So it's going to be your oatmeal, it's going to be your sweet potato, it's going to be your brown rice.
Right.
Do the better version of the carbohydrates.
Exactly.
If you're a vegan and you're eating predominantly like vegetables and fruits, and do it properly.
Right.
Don't do the processed stuff. Don't do the canned stuff.
Cut corners.
Don't do the French fries. Actually eat real vegetables. If you're doing your meats, don't have your processed deli meats. Like you said, that's the number one, that's the worst possible thing you can eat in the world is processed meat.
Cancer.
So have your clean chicken, have your steak, don't have sausages, don't have your bacon, have your clean meats, right? So it doesn't really matter what diet you're doing, you just make sure you're doing it the best of your ability, and you're not doing the cheaty way.
That's what I say with the diets. It's the best diet is what you're going to actually adhere to and stick to 100%. What you feel is going to be a good lifestyle for you to do. And if it's a vegan diet, then I'm all for it. Go ahead and do that, but don't try and, like you said, try and cut corners. Okay, these
cutting corners. I love that. That's exactly what I'm getting at.
You can do that easily. But is it going to help you in the long run, short run? Is it actually beneficial? Period.
And the stronger you get your mindset, the better it is.
Right.
So if you don't cut corners, you do it properly, you build discipline, you build mindset, then you have the ability to turn it on. You have the ability to do things properly. If you do fall off track, you have the ability to turn it back on. And that's why I've never in my life had a problem if I'm getting a little fluffy and carrying a little bit of weight, because up here I've got the information and I've got the mindset to turn it on anytime I want.
Right.
And I know you're on the exact same page. No matter how bad you've been, how sick you've been, how long you haven't trained for, you have that ridiculous strong mindset that you can just bring it back as soon as you want, as quick as you want. No questions asked, not questioning yourself. That's unstoppable, that mindset, right?
Once you adapt that, anyone can do it.
You got to build up to it. You got to go through the hard times to get to that.